Hi, it's Luke here, and today we're going to look at how you set up your affiliate links with either Links Boutique or Proverb. It's exactly the same either way for either business. And what this allows you to do is create a unique link you can share with your customers. And that way, if you don't have the stock and then you want them to buy online, but make sure that you get a commission for it, and they will go to use that link, and Reversion, which is the app we use, which we're going to log into now and have a look around, will track that customer, and then we'll be able to add up and send you your commission every 3 months. So what we just need to do first is you should receive an email that looks like this from one of us, and this will have all these details and instructions in it, but I'm just going to go through it now. And the first thing is, I'm going to go to this link here, and that will take you to a page that looks like this. Here you're just going to simply add in your name, your email, and create a password. Once you've done that, the system Reversion will send you a confirmation email. You will confirm that you've logged in, and then you will be able to access your account. Before you do this, it's worth a few things I would suggest is just making a note of some of the links we're going to need. So this is the sign up link we've just clicked. This is the link that you're going to use going forward, and that will take you to this login page, which is where you log in going forward to look at your Reversion, your affiliate account. It's also worth, from the email, taking out this link here, which is going to be a page on the Links Boutique and the same for Proverb website that allows your customers to get free shipping when they order. And that way there's a benefit to them using your link, which is they get free shipping, and therefore you can convert it to them. If you have a little note system here, like we do, then you can take a note of these, record them down, and when we've created your unique link later on, then you'll have a note of that, so you don't have to keep coming back into Reversion to get that link. So just having a quick look, so you will have got the page where you're going to sign in, put your password and email. You're going to then end up logging back in here on this URL. And this is worth saving, like I said, because going back in every time you don't want to be setting up, you're actually just logging in. And that will take you, once you're logged into a page that looks like this. And this is quite simply your affiliate login. And this is in Reversion where you're going to see what's going on, what customers have used the link, how much commission you've earned, and how much we're going to pay you. We'll send you a credit note if you don't have PayPal. So just a quick thing to think about: how they're going to know, that, or where to go, or how can you signpost them to us and make sure that you get tracked, or their order gets tracked. So the first thing we have here is a unique link, your link. You can simply copy that, go to the notes that we were suggesting, and you can paste that so that you can use that in the future. Anywhere you share that, in emails or on your website, they will be tracked as a customer when they come to our websites, and you will get the 25% commission for sending them our way. However, there are some clever, more advanced things you can do. The first one of which is, I would suggest creating a link with free shipping code in it. This will mean that instead of having to share the free shipping code with them and then having to add it manually, it will be done automatically. But this is just where it takes a little bit more concentration. So you can see here the referral code section, which is on your dashboard. You go back to the notes here we said earlier and take this link here. So this, at the end of it, you can see has the code affiliate free ship, and that will mean that when they check out using this link, or your unique version of this link, then that code will be automatically applied. So what do? We simply go to this button here. It says create a link to a specific page. Paste in that code there, and then we create a link. Now that's taken that code, that URL there, and added your unique code. So when we copy that back to our notes, this link now has in it the free code the shipping, which will be added automatically in the cart to anyone that uses this link. As you will see, it will also track any orders. Just so you can see how it works, if you paste that in to a browser, if someone clicks that link, they just come to our website as normal. But if they were to add something to their cart, you can see we're in our basket. When we check out, there we go. You can see there, just under this discount code section, there's already applied free shipping. So that customer, your customer, will only get free shipping, but you will get 25% commission as well. So that's why that particular link is worth setting up to start with. That should be the link that you share with most people. Your email campaigns, socials, or just personally. And then also there is a little bit of a step on from that. And this is where if you wanted to build in any banners to your website, so that there might be a page on products and you might want to direct them signposts to this. Here you can see in this section on the marketing assets, a number of banners that we've already created, different shapes and sizes to go anywhere on your website. And again, you click on one of these, it will not only allow you to download the image, but if you have someone to help you with your website, they will be able to put this code into your website, which means if someone clicks on that image that's been added to your website, then it will also track that customer back to you. So again, you can put these banners into your website somewhere on the Proverb pages, and that means that anyone that clicks on those as your customer comes through to us will be tracked back to you. And then finally, anyone that has used that link will show up here, and this will accumulate and show how much commission you've earned. And then we will, as I said, either pay that to you through PayPal or through a credit note. So hopefully that is a little bit of a simple way to look at how we're going to access your Reversion, your affiliate system, how you're going to create your link, which has in it, as we said here, the affiliate shipping code, so that your customers get free shipping, which makes it a bonus. So they use your link and just don't come directly to our website. And then ways to add the link through images to your website and see how much you're going to earn. I hope that's been useful. As ever, if there's any questions, please reach out to us. Hopefully this video and this email following through these steps will get you there. And then you can get sharing, get earning commission in your sleep. I hope that's been helpful. Have an amazing day.